What are you doing back there, Dan?
Just finding stuff.
Ryan here from Bro Builds. My shop is kind of a mess, and I'd really like to get it cleaned up for my new project car, a 1986 Pontiac Fiero. So today we're gonna take it from this cluttery mess to this beautifully organized workshop. The first step was to get everything picked up and moved out of the way. Then my brother Ben cleaned up the floor using a leaf blower, and next we laid down some foam workout mats I bought on Amazon. So now that my brother and I got the floor all laid, it's time to get some shelves put in here, get it all nice and organized, get my parts organized and ready for future projects. What are you doing back there, Dan?
Just finding stuff.
Yeah, previous owner gave me this sweet Fiero hat.
You got a lot of stuff from him. You're gonna probably not even use all of it, so that's why the organization is super important.
Yeah, well, I need to figure out what pieces go to what, get it all labeled. It's gonna be super duper organized, and then eventually we can mock up that engine and actually on the cradle and make sure everything's good to go. So let's get this stuff out of the way and then get the shelves built.
Let's do it. What is this stuff?
Windshield washer fluid. So got a couple shelves, and now we've got to clean up the wall. I don't remember how this went up here.
You probably just spin it for a long time.
I don't think that's true at all. I got it. All I had to do was lift straight up. It was pretty easy. There's all the pieces for one of the shelves, and we're gonna put it up right over here. And there it is. So we saved one shelf. It's gonna go in the middle between the two, but looks pretty good, man.
Yeah, not too bad.
You're pretty comfy? You take a nap up there?
It is not comfy, but it is holding me.
All right, so that's not quite enough storage, so let's go ahead and just double that. Oh man, it's like 3 shelves for the price of one. The next thing we got is this Craftsman storage, tool storage thing. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that, and we'll put it up right here. Oh man, what do you think, Dan? It looks pretty good.
It looks great. I love that red.
I do too, it really pops.
All right, well, I gotta take off, but we certainly got Ryan started, and he's got a lot of work to do.
Now I gotta take all that stuff and get it organized.
Yeah, so have fun, I'm out.
I'm actually pretty excited to get it all organized. It's gonna be awesome.
2 hours later.
I spent a couple hours organizing after Dan left. I went through all the boxes and got the parts all nice and organized on the shelf. It actually went quite a bit faster than I expected, and before I knew it, I was done. I've continued to organize and move things around over the last few weeks, and now this is what it looks like. I've also got a couple different stations for painting, working on smaller projects outside the car, and anything else that might come up. So my shop is finally complete, at least for now. Later.